Easy now, keep it straight. Watch the left side clearance. Copy that, almost there. The intake levels on lane 3 are slightly below target.
Adjust the automated dispenser flow by 5%.
Everything looks optimal here. The pressure levels are steady, and the consumption data matches the projections.
The metabolic rate for Sing 7 seems elevated. I'm adjusting the feed ratio now.
The humidity levels are stable at 60%. The cooling systems are functioning optimally across all sectors.
This batch has the right consistency. The data confirms the zinc levels are exactly where they should be. Perfect. Sing seems to be thriving on this mix.
Check sector Gamma 9. Are the Sing Bulls responding to the new feed schedule?
Affirmative, Supervisor. Biometrics are stable.
Check the biometric data on Pen 4.
All parameters are stable. Automated feeding is optimal.
Look at the texture here. It's inconsistent with the others in this bin. You are right. Resort that one, please.
Check the caliper reading on this curve, it seems slightly irregular. Acknowledged. Rerunning the diagnostic now. It passed the luxury standard.
The polish on this lot is exceptional.
Confirmed.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance. Approved for shipment.
So this is where we integrate the leather components with the molded parts from the other side.
Ensure the grain texture matches the specifications.
Looks good. The automated system confirms the grade. The Grey Brahman Bull hides are prepared for advanced treatment in this chemical-free environment, ensuring the highest quality finish.
The grain is superb, but there's a slight inconsistency right here.
I see that. The strength readings are still within tolerance.
The alignment on the fifth cut looks slightly off. Let me check the calibration. The texture seems fine here.
The grain consistency here is exceptional. Yeah.
Agreed. The dye has penetrated perfectly on this batch.
It's the meticulous attention to detail at every step that defines true luxury. This Grey Brahman leather is hand-finished for unparalleled quality.
The grain on this Brahman leather is flawless, and the stitching meets the luxury standard.
Excellent. Let's approve this batch for shipment.
Inside this massive facility, we oversee the complete journey of every hide, ensuring unparalleled quality from material to masterpiece.
We need 3 more of the gray briefcases ready by noon. Already on the rack, moving them now.
Here at our state-of-the-art facility, every piece of Brahman bull leather is treated with the utmost care.
This one looks good, ready for shipment.
Excellent. Keep the pace steady, we have a large order to fulfill. All scans clear on this batch.
The finish on these is flawless. Move to approved.
Make sure the manifest for shipment 7 is updated.
Already done, we are clear for departure.